You know, they're everywhere around you, and you don't realize that, but they're in your car, they're in the supermarket, baby bottle nipples, and they touch your life from the minute you're born and all throughout your whole life. We've worked with some very famous companies, Tesla, we've worked with SpaceX, you know, working with solar panels for their satellites.
We developed silicone elastomers, which transports the heat away from a motor. It is also sustainable. The e-mobility, there is a need of heat management in the motors.
What we really have to offer is that we have silicone expertise. So you look at the people that we have in our labs, the number of years that they've been there, and the experiences that they've had throughout the industry, we really can be the customer's resource for whatever they're looking to do.
We cover everything together. We have a technical service that is really specialized in the application. We have a research and development department that really loves making molecules and finding special solutions for each customer. But we also have like a very close cooperation with our guys from production. So whenever we start a project, they are involved already. So we really get it fast from the research lab to the production and then directly to the customer.
We have not only one solution, we have many solutions to serve the markets. High performance, unique and efficient products for different application fields like rapid prototyping, like electronic, like medical, orthopedic, orthoplastic, pad printing, industrial bonding and sealing. It's very important at CHT that we have a global structure, and the customer has always a contact person which can provide some solutions and help him.
And with this connection of the application and the chemistry, where we are very strong, then we can develop the right product for them.
Partnerships and the interactions that we have with our customers they're phenomenal. I very much appreciate it every time I get to go out and visit with our customers, because what they're doing is fascinating, right? And they're excited about it, and that spills over into all the things that we're doing too.